My name is Kate Turner. I am a visual artist from Cincinnati, Ohio, and we are here in my exhibition, Somewhere That's Green, in the Roswell Museum. My beginning purpose was just to make my own cornfields, a place that I felt like if the cornfields in Ohio didn't want me, then I was going to make my own. So I wanted to simulate this idea of me turning hometown upside down and then shaking out all of the ideas, all of the emotions. And so I wanted to represent that by turning the cornfield upside down. My scarecrows are just this totem to being completely who you are and owning a space and saying, this is my space. I'm here to protect it. You can be in it or not. It's a good representation for the adopted child because you are an assemblage of this mix of nature and nurture. And the scarecrow is made of like straw and it's hung up on wood, which is like nature, but this nurture part, it's made from like the farmer's shirt and like the farmer's wife's hat. And so it's like this assemblage and it's placed by itself and it's the oddball in this scenario. I mean, there's a lot of things that I want to say and I want to explore around being adopted and being an adopted child. And I wasn't around a lot of adopted people. By doing a performance about it, by making work about it, I'm able to get my ideas out, which then opens up other people who have been like, oh, I'm also adopted. That story really relates to me. Outfits are something that I would use to express myself heavily when I was younger. You know, when I was exploring myself, I was always exploring different ways of like peacocking or just like showing my identity. So sewing became something that was really important to me. And so fabric is just something that I'm comfortable with working, that I love manipulating and navigating. So when I had the ideas of wanting to make a cornfield, making soft sculpture is something that is enticing and squishy and cute. The title comes from, I'm a musical buff. I love musicals. And so my favorite musical is Little Shop of Horrors. And Audrey, one of the main characters, sings a song, Somewhere That's Green, where she's fantasizing about this ideal place where she wants to live. And she has this beautiful white picket fence house, and she says it's somewhere that's green. When growing up, I would find myself trying to shove myself in spaces where I just wasn't welcome. My scarecrows is like, they're totems to me of like, being different. Like some of my scarecrows have like bondage and they embrace this identity of being a subculture and being different. I mean, weirdos are just people that maybe other people don't understand.